Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best free adult application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those adult apps to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and in the search bar start typing Downloader. As you can see, there was even no need to enter whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings. Here we are, click on that button with the gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device, but on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable AD debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, we have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we have to go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the Downloader. There it is, open it. And here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you gotta click on Home, and there we'll be entering a link. It's going to be incognitoplay.app, so let's enter it together. So once again, it's incognitoplay.app. Just like that, you can see the link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go and wait until website opens. And then basically what you have to do is just scroll the page until you find the Download APK button. Click on it. And now when the load has started, it doesn't take long usually. There you gotta click on Install. and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we got rid of unnecessary installation files and save you some free space on your Firestick. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device and scroll to the bottom, there you'll find the app that we just downloaded. I just had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So that's the best adult app that you can use on a Fire Stick or on Android TV in 2024. It's got a great interface and millions of movies inside, and I'm sure you are going to like it. And now let's go back to the downloader so I could show you 2 more apps for today. So we open the downloader, go back to home, and now let's enter the second link together. Here's the link, you can see it on your screen. Then make sure to enter it and click on go. And when the website opens, you have to click on download the official app button. We click on it, now the download is going to start. Click on install right here. And then as previously click done, so you would be able to delete the installation files which are not needed anymore on your device. After that, go to the list of apps on your device, and there at the bottom you'll find the second application which we just downloaded. Once again, I had to blur out the logo because of YouTube rules. And now let's go back to the downloader so I could show you the first app for today. Let's enter the link together. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but you'll be able to see the link on your screen. So here's the link, make sure to enter it as you see, click on go, and from here you'll have to click on the Android app button. Then as always click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Fire TV. And of course don't forget to click on done to get rid of unnecessary installation files from the Fire Stick. And now finally let's go again to the list of apps on your device. And when you scroll down you'll find all the free applications that we just downloaded to your Fire Stick. Those are the best adult applications that you can use on your Fire TV or Android TV in 2024. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.